All right. In this SAT mathematics question, the question says the quotient of 19 and a number D increased by 7. Which of the following is an expression for the statement above? Now, when you hear the word quotient of a number and another number, what it implies that the first number mentioned will be the numerator, while the other number mentioned will be the denominator. So the quotient of 19 and the number D will now be what? So we say quotient will be what? 19 over what? D increased by 7. So the increase in this case will now be what? 19 over D plus what? Plus 7. Plus 7. So which of the following expression for the statement, which of the following is an expression for the statement above? Basically, the correct expression for the statement is 19 over D plus 7. So the correct option to this problem is A. So that is that about that. So see you in the next video. Thank you.